Well, guys, I'm sure you all know we gotta do our tasks to win. So I'm gonna do it to them. I don't know about you guys.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm gonna go to my tasks. Alright. Got tasks to do here in electrical. Wires. Alright, task done. I'm scared. This is the place of death. I'm leaving. Off. Hey, B. Oh, hi, Runner. I was just headed over to electrical. What's going on in there? Nothing really. No one's in there. Oh, okay. See ya. Yeah, see ya. Boy, it's dark in here. Looks like someone sabotaged the lights. I'm gonna fix them. B, is that you? Yeah, I'm trying to fix the lights. Okay, look. Snowball, is he dead? No! I knew it. In the dark light, someone killed him. Well, I gotta report it before someone sees me or kills me. Snowball's dead. Who called the meeting? I did, Flamander. So, I don't have any suspects, but here's what happened. So, I was going to electrical. Runner came out, but there wasn't a dead body. So I know he didn't kill anyone. And I went in, and I did my tasks. Well, I was going to, but the lights ran out. So I went to fix them. But then Snowball came in, and he was talking to me, but then he stopped talking. I turned on the lights. He was dead. Self-report. It's so you, B. That's such a made-up story. Yeah, it's so B. Come on, guys, vote B. No, this cannot be possible. Come on, Strike, it's gotta be you. Look, you seriously have to blame me. It's obvious it was not a self-report. Honestly, Strike, I believe B and I believe that he's not the imposter. It could be you, but I don't think there's enough evidence. I say we skip. Yeah, I meant to do it. Skip. Alright, so let's go. I got a task in. You know what? I'm gonna check security cameras. Actually, I'm gonna go to the reactor. It'll be fun. Reactor. Oh. Hey, Saber. Oh, hi, Sapphire. You headed to reactor? Yeah, wanna come with me? Yeah, okay. I don't really think you're the imposter. Let's stick together. Okay, let's go. Alright, come on, we're doing the task. Almost on my task. Same, Saber, same. Alright. Almost, no. Alright, I'm gonna check reactor. Oh! Sapphire, Saber, no! Double kill! Trike, what's up? Well, I was heading to reactor when I was there. Double kill. Saber and Sapphire were both dead. Self. It's so Trike. But it's also B too. Yeah, and then after that's done, there's one imposter. Yeah. Come on, guys. I vote Trike. Strike. You've been acting very sus lately. They're just reporting bodies. I think it's you. Guys, let's vote off Strike.
Yeah, guys, I agree with him. I think it's Struck. Pass Struck.
Okay, so we're voting Strike. Sorry, Strike. Oh no, this was a mistake. Guys, you shouldn't have done this. You know what Strike can be. It's not me, then just vote them out. Wait, how is he not the imposter? There's still 3 imposters left, and only 11 people left in total. Which means there's only 8 crewmates left. Come on, guys, we gotta beat the imposters. I'm gonna do my tasks. Alright, well, let's say maybe stick together with someone. Turdy, I'm sticking with you. Okay, then. You know, I kind of believe in Flamander. Let's go. So, Turdy, Where you got tasks? Well, we're here in admin. I got the swipe card. I don't got any tests in admin. No tests near here, actually. Wait, so then where are your tasks? Don't have any. Bye, Turdy. No! Ah, no!
Yes, let's go. I killed someone who...
I gotta make to the vent. All right, here we go. Vent. All right, I got tasks in medbay. Yeah.
Wait. Oh, no.
You vented. I have to press the button. Emergency meeting. Hubby, what happened? Flamelander vented. Right in front of me. You must be joking. You see, I didn't vent. Wait, then where's Turdy? Well, all I think is that vent goes to admin, and you were walking with Turdy. So that means you must have killed him. You know what that means, Flamelander? You're not only killed, vented, so you're definitely the imposter. It's so you. Honestly, I gotta say, very convincing evidence. Sorry, Flamelander. Actually, not sorry, because it's so you. No, B was joking. See, he vented here. It's not me. Hey, okay. Well, just saying.
Emergency meeting at Strike.
What? Flopper, what evidence do you have? It's me. You just randomly hit the button. That's pretty sus. I think it's Flopper.
Yes, I do. You voted out Flamelander. Who, wait, what am I saying? You know what? I know who the other imposter is. What am I saying? Pretty confusing, you know. He's so confusing, I'm voting him out. So, Flopper, I don't know what your name is, but you're getting out. Bye! Oh boy, it was a mistake pressing this button. Ah!
I didn't get that at all. I'm just, gonna go to my tasks.
I'm gonna head to, I don't know.
Froggle's been acting very sus lately. I kind of think it's him. And he's following Alligator Snap. I'm gonna follow them. Oh, looks like Foggle's going a different way.
Yes, he thinks we're going a different way, but we're gonna vent to him. Let's go in.
Oh no, Alligator Snap's in great danger. I gotta save him. All right, wait, B, why are you running?
Because Froggle vented. He's gonna kill you.
Rah. Yeah. Alligator Snap, finish this for me. You killed B. B, no! Alligator Snap, what happened? Well, I was heading to storage, and Froggle went a different way. But apparently he vented from B, and B was right. B saw him vent, and he saved me. Froggle killed him, vented, got out of the vent, and killed him right in front of me. It's Froggle. He killed B. No, it isn't. Alligator Snap's just lying. Come on, guys. Just gonna believe a little tiny alligator? It's obvious that it was not me. Froggle, you're very sus. Goodbye. So you know, guys, if I'm not the imposter, vote Alligator Snap. Well, there's 6 of us left. Only one of us is an imposter. I'm gonna go do my tasks. Yeah, me too. Yes, I love doing the admin swipe card. Already done. See, I'm so good at this. Man, it's too easy. Oh, wait. You just
vented.
No! No! I think I see a dead body. Is that Flips? No, Flips! Flips! No! Oh.
All right. Wait, both of them? They're both dead.
Oh! All right. Oh my God! Three! Oh my God! Hey, Runner, what happened? In Shields, 3 bodies. Alligator Snap, dead. Flips, dead. And Clover, dead. Well, there's only 3 of us left. It's one of us. Let's just get back to our tasks. I don't want us to go like the other 2 times. Yeah, same. I'm gonna stick with Trike. I trust him. Okay. You guys can run, but you can't hide. Wait, Clover, what do you mean? Oh, well, let's just say I'm the imposter and the chase is on. God, run for your life! We have to press the emergency button before he kills us! Ah! Pathetic. Time to vent. I think I'm safe in here. Nope. You're not safe in any room. Ah! Oh, God! Wait, he can't press the emergency button. Try hit the emergency button. Okay. Are they dumb? Where do you think you're going? Oh, God! Die. No. No. You killed him.
Great nap. I wonder what's happening. Wonder how many people are dead. I'm gonna press the emergency button.
No! Emergency? What? How? How is this possible? Please say it's another imposter. That's good. Wait, only Trike and Gopher? That's kind of odd. What the? How are you alive? I thought one of my friends killed you first. Well, here's the story. I think I fell asleep in electrical because the lights were off. Did someone report my body and think I'm dead? No way. Well, what's happening, Trike, Clover? Do you guys know who the imposter is? It's Clover! He tried to kill me and killed Runner! How can that be true, huh, Trike? Go.
No, knife.
That was nothing. I must have been out on a lot, huh? It's Clover. Bye, Clover!
Oh, why did this happen? How? I was about to win.